In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a dashboard in Chartink. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to sign into your account, and then you want to click on this Atlas button up top, okay? So you want to click on that, and then from here, you'll be able to create your dashboards. So you want to go to the top right, click on Create New Dashboard, and from here, you want to give it a title. So I'm going to name this one Test Dashboard like this. Of course, you can name it whatever, and click on Create. Once you've done this, your dashboard is going to be created just like that. And to actually further put things on there, you want to click on it like this. And when you click on your dashboard, in here you can go ahead and edit it however you want by adding scans or charts. So just click on Add Scan or Chart. And then from here, you can actually go and start fresh. So you can go and add a new scan, or you can start from a template. So I'm going to show you how to do both right now. I'm actually going to click on one of the templates over here. Let's just actually do, for example, this one over here, market cap advances percentage. So I'm going to click on that. And as you can see, it's going to give you like your dashboard widget over here. And you can, of course, go and see what it looks like this. You could go and design it yourself. If you want to edit anything, just click and it's going to allow you to edit this. You could add filters. You could go into grouping and sorting and change that as well. And if you're happy with your result, you want to go and hit the Add to Current Dashboard button. And of course, whenever you've done this, give your widget a name and a description as well, and hit this Submit button. What this is going to do here, it's going to add that specific widget onto your dashboard just like this. Now, that's the first thing I have on here. For example, if I go to Add Scanner Chart again, I can add a new thing as well. So over here, as you can see, it's going to allow me to add new ones again. I can go and do literally whatever I want. So if I go and do a plus button over here to like add a column, and I'm going to do something random. So for example, I'm going to do volume, and then I'm going to do, let's do greater than, or like plus, or whatever. I'm going to do like 2,000 or 200,000, whatever. Completely up to you what you want to do here. You can then go and run it, and it's going to load up your symbols, and you can just go and add to your dashboard and give your widget a name. I'm going to name this one stocks, submit. There we go. As you can see, it's going to add them on here again, and you can just keep on adding these widgets on here. You can customize them or use any of these already pre-made ones inside these templates. Add them here, submit it when you give it a name, and there we go. You're successfully building your dashboard in Chartink. So it's actually that simple. Now, whenever you want to see your, of course, dashboard, go to Atlas again, and in here you can see your dashboards, and it's going to show you exactly how many widgets each and every single one of them has. That's how to create them. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.